Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Banker's World. Today I have brought for you the October 3rd week 2020 most important current affairs MCQ. So let us begin today's session with the first question. PM Modi released a commemorative coin of how many rupees in honor of Vijay Raja recently? Well, the answer is option B 100. Question number 2 is in October 2020, who had the opportunity to spend one day as the UK's High Commissioner to India? Well, among the four options, the right answer is option C, Chaitanya Venkateswaran. Question number 3 is when is the International Girl Child Day celebrated? Well, the right answer is option A, 11th October. Coming to the next question, who won his 13th French Open in tennis in October 2020? Is Novak Djokovic, Rafael Nadal, Roger Federer, or Andy Murray? Well, the right answer is option B, Rafael Nadal. In Jammu and Kashmir, who inaugurated sports infrastructure worth rupees 49.78 crore in October 2020? Well, the right answer is option A, Manoj Sinha. Let us move to the next question. Who chaired the 43rd GST Council meeting in New Delhi? The right answer is option C, Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 7 is Facebook has announced whose appointment as the Director Public Policy for Data and Emerging Tech? Well, the right answer is option B, Sunil Abraham. Coming to question number 8, who has written the book titled The Khalistan Conspiracy? The options are Ruskin Bond, Ajay Thakur, GBS Sidhu, or Geeta Verma. The right answer is option C, GBS Sidhu. In October 2020, which state UT or Union Territory has tied up with India Post to get 11,000 farmers enrolled in the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme? The right answer is option D, Goa. Coming to question number 10, which state has decided to constitute oversight committees at the district level? The options are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, or Odisha. The right answer is option D, Odisha. Coming to the 11th question of today, Sadeep Japarov has been appointed as the new PM of which country? The right answer is option B, Kyrgyzstan. Coming to question number 12, Paul Milgrom and Robert Wilson have been awarded the Nobel Prize 2020 in which field? Well, they have been awarded in economics field. The right answer is option B, economics. Coming to question number 13, recently Intel has tied up with which IIT for setting up a new applied artificial intelligence research center? The options are Madras, Delhi, Hyderabad, Lucknow. The right answer is option C, Hyderabad. Coming to question number 14, which state will feature on country's aviation map with a greenfield airport at Holongi? The right answer is option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Coming to question number 15, which IIT developed an antimicrobial food wrapping material? The options are Bombay, Delhi, Madras, or Hyderabad. Well, the right answer is option C, Madras. IIT Madras. Question number 16 is recently who announced the launch of same day settlement facility for all kinds of fund transfer on its payment gateway? The options are MobiKwik, PhonePe, Paytm, or Google Pay. The correct answer is option C, Paytm. RBI has raised banks' maximum aggregate retail exposure limit to entities with turnover up to rupees 50 crore to how many crores? The answer is option C, 7.5 crores. Coming to question number 18, what is the rank of India out of 158 countries in the commitment to reducing inequality index by Oxfam? The right answer is option C, 129. The rank of India is 129. Coming to question number 19, Microsoft has partnered with whom to empower learners and educators for artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, data science, and cloud computing? The right answer is option B, AICTE. Coming to question number 20, Manoj Kumar Bharti has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to which country? The options are Argentina, Malaysia, Indonesia, or Turkey. The right answer is option C, Indonesia. Coming to question number 21, Rahul Srivastava has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to which country? Well, he has been appointed to option C, Albania country. Question number 22, Tech for Tribals, an initiative was e-launched by TriFed in which state? The options are Gujarat, Haryana, Maharashtra, or Chhattisgarh. Well, the correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. PepsiCo is setting up a greenfield potato chips production unit in which state with an investment of rupees 814 crore? The options are Bihar, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, or Madhya Pradesh. The right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Turn to question number 24. As per a report by IMF, Indian economy shall contract by how much percent in 2020? The right answer is option D, 10.3%. Indian economy will contract by 10.3%. Coming to question number 25, which bank has announced the launch of its ACE credit card in India in collaboration with Google Pay and Visa? The options are ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, SBI, or Bank of Baroda. Well, the right answer is option B, Axis Bank. The next question is, which of the following has added bike and car insurance in its product portfolio in association with Bajaj Allianz General Insurance? The options are PhonePe, Paytm, Amazon Pay, or Google Pay. Well, the right answer is option A, PhonePe. Coming to question number 27, which of the following carried out a joint anti-terror exercise with Maharashtra police in Pune? The right answer is option C, Indian Army. Coming to question number 28, which state has introduced Suzal drink from tap mission scheme? The right answer is option A, Odisha state has introduced this scheme. The 29th question is, the Union Cabinet has approved the STARS project of which bank? Well, the right answer is option B, World Bank. This project is from World Bank. Coming to the 30th question of today, who started the Jojila tunnel works with a ceremonial blast in Kargil district? The options are Nitin Gadkari, Piyush Goyal, Narendra Modi, or Amit Shah. Well, the right answer is option A, Nitin Gadkari. Coming to question number 31, in October 2020, which country has been elected as the president of the International Solar Alliance? The options are USA, UK, France, or India. Well, the correct answer is option D, India. Question number 32. Recently, which company has collaborated with cement manufacturers of the country? The options are GAIL, BHEL, SAIL, or NTPC. The right answer is option D, NTPC. Coming to question number 33rd, PM Modi will release a coin of which denomination to mark the 75th anniversary of FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, in 16th October 2020? Well, the right answer is option B, 75. Question number 34, which state has exempted license fee of multiplexes and cinema halls for 6 months period from 1st April to 30th September 2020? The right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has exempted it. Coming to question number 35, Sakhi, one-stop service center for women, has been inaugurated in which state or union territory? The right answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Coming to question number 36, as per Uttarakhand's new sports policy, how much initiative will be provided to an Olympic gold medalist from Uttarakhand state? The right answer is option C, 2 crores will be provided. Coming to question number 37, Vishal V. Sharma has been appointed as the next permanent representative of India to which organization? Is UNESCO, UNDP, UNICEF, UNDP, UNESCO, or IMF? Well, the right answer is option C, UNESCO. Coming to question number 38, which state or union territory has signed an MOU with Flipkart to provide a platform for local artisans, craftsmen, weavers to reach customers across the globe? The right answer is option B, Jammu and Kashmir has signed this MOU with Flipkart. Coming to question number 39, how much amount will center borrow on behalf of the states to bridge the shortfall gap in GST collections? The right answer is option B, 1.10 lakh crores. Coming to the 40th question of today, what is the theme for Global Hand Washing Day that is observed on 15th October every year? The right answer is option B, hand hygiene for all. Well, this was all for today. Thank you everyone for watching it. If you like my video, then like, share and comment on my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching this video.